Ever wondered if you could transform your Facebook page into a money-making machine? Well, it's time to delve into the ultimate guide to Facebook page monetization. First things first, you have to home in on your niche, a topic that not only fuels your passion but also strikes a chord with your audience. This is the foundation stone for crafting compelling content that keeps your followers hooked and hungry for more. Next, focus on nurturing an engaged community. Foster conversations, reply to comments, and share content that resonates with your audience. Remember, the more vibrant and interactive your page, the more appealing it becomes to potential advertisers. Now let's unlock the power of Facebook ads, a fantastic avenue to monetize your page. By enlisting in the Facebook Audience Network program, you can display ads and rake in revenue every time your followers interact with them. But why limit yourself to ads? Venture into the world of sponsored posts. Partnering with brands and businesses within your niche can be a mutually beneficial arrangement. It's not just about earning money, it's also about offering valuable content to your audience. And if you have your own products to sell, like merchandise, ebooks, or online courses, Facebook serves as a robust platform to promote and sell them directly to your followers. Last but not least, keep tabs on your performance. Harness the power of Facebook Insights to track your page's growth, engagement, and reach. This invaluable data will aid you in fine-tuning your strategy and attracting more advertisers. In a nutshell, monetizing your Facebook page is not only feasible, but can also be incredibly rewarding. By identifying your niche, cultivating an engaged community, leveraging ads, collaborating with brands, and selling your own products, you can catapult your page's earning potential to new heights. Thank you for tuning into our ultimate guide to Facebook page monetization. If you found this video enlightening, remember to hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights.